Hey guys, what's up? I'm just going to be showing you this new metal detector that I got. This is what it looks like all put together. Took me about 2 minutes maybe to put all the pieces together. You just connecting the bottom, middle section, then you're going to have this handle section or the reader section, and then this arm handle section here. So this is going to provide a Velcro strap and just sort of like some stability here. And then you have a nice like handle right here as well that's really cushy, which I really like. But the real question is, does it detect metal, right? Like that's what we all want to know. So we're going to power it on here. And one of the cool things that you can see here is it's going to show you the type of metal that you're going over the top of. Like, I don't want to spend time digging for something if I'm just going to end up finding something like a nail, right? Like a basic metal. So it'll show you different things like silver is one of them, these different like coin options. So I think that's pretty cool. I'll have to learn all of the specific readings, but what I've got right here is a little honey jar, and that's going to have a metal lid on top of it. So we're just going to get up above that and see when it starts to pick that up. So it looks like I'm about 6 inches from the top of that, and it's going to start reading that. I'm going to put this little bag over the top of that just to kind of see what we've got there. All right, let's go again. And you can see it starting to pick that up again. So yeah, it works, which is great. That's good to know. And then it's like blinking with like that basic metal. So I know that that's the kind that it's reading. Let me tell you a little bit about what this comes with, right? It's going to come with this bag. Let me power this off here so that it's not beeping at me. It's going to come with this carrying case, which is pretty long, as well as this strap that goes with the case so that it's easy to carry. You're going to have these headphones that you can use if you'd prefer that, but you can kind of go either way, whether or not you want the beeping to be able to be heard by others. And then it also came with this. Let me sit this down for a second so I can show this to you. I thought this was pretty cool. This is like super heavy duty, which I thought was really awesome. But you've got sort of this like trowel shovel looking thing, right? It's got your depth here as well as these ridges here, and just seems really nice. Plus it's got this protective cover that goes around it. This is a great handle. Like it's kind of got this rubber textured handle in a few places. You can really get a good grip on that. But it's really, really heavy duty, which I really appreciate. Anyway, I'm super excited to play with this some more and learn more about the details of it. But I hope this was helpful for you and just kind of showing you what you're going to get and a little bit about how it works. But lots of fun to be had.